You know, there's always conspiracy of circumstances. You know, circumstances conspire when the subject itself is ripe. And that's what actually has happened, that the conspiracy of circumstances. But wacha nichukue fursa hii vile vile na niseme kwa Kiswahili ya kwamba nataka Wakenya wote kila mahali, wale wafuasi wa Azimio, wafuasi wa baba na mama na Kalonzo na Malwa na Paranya na Wajakoya na Wairia na Nduritu Muridhi, wote na wale ambao wameumizwa, hata wale wa Kenya Kwanza ambaye wanataka mabadiliko pa wanaumia, ni nyote mwalikwa kesho. Nataka mjumuike kesho, muonyeshe ulimwengu mzima ya kwamba punda imechoka.
Last one. Yes, Apollo TV 47. You've said you don't expect Kenya Kwanza to understand the issue of signatures, but they're also criticizing, saying, what's the end game of the collection of these signatures? What's your reply to them?
You see, let them, you know, because they themselves are saying what the Constitution provides. They are forgetting about Article 1 of the Constitution. Because that Article 1 is very, very clear. It says that the sovereignty in the Republic of Kenya is invested in the people of Kenya. They can exercise it directly or through delegated authority to those whom they have elected. Okay? So when they now go ahead and tell you what the Constitution provides as to how to change a government, that is under the delegated authority. But they don't look at that power being exercised directly by the people. It has not been done before. So then let me just wait and see. Let me wait and see where we are going to end.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.